Hey, welcome back. Tommy here. All right, today I'm gonna do something a little different. Okay, I figure I'm gonna put this thing probably in like my ramen review playlist and everything like this, but I'm gonna do speed eating on this Buldak 2X. All right, and I commented Sundance 270 did it, and I told him I'm down. He said let's go. So I'm gonna do this. This was a couple days ago that he did this. But he did it look like about 56, 57 seconds. Yeah, you took down a brick of the Buldak 2X. I'm gonna try to beat that. Okay, so I have that here. Okay, and you're noticing all over the place here. I've got the videos, me making it, and everything like that. So let's get into this. Let's make this happen right here. Buldak 2X, under a minute. Right, under a minute. All right, we're gonna get some. All right. Here. Whoops, that's the wrong job. This. All right. All right, let's go. Here it goes. Can you see that, John? Hopefully it don't fall. All right. Mm. Minute 28. Oh, minute 28. All right. All right, man. You're still the king, Sundance. You're still the king. All right. Woo, man. Sundance. Now, right there, that was good. That was a good challenge. The Buldak 2X is super spicy for a non-Chilean. I agree with Sundance. I give that about 2. All right. To be able to do more than 1 pack of these, that's a stretch. That's a stretch. But this is super hot. Fun challenge. I give it to my man Sundance. We have 57 seconds, man. Do stuff. Oh man. But yeah, if you like spicy, definitely jump in on this Buldak 2X. All right, guys. Take care, man.